Hey guys, it's me, Chanela, and Harris and Gucci. I got again. I'll be opening this. 3, 2, 1, click. Okay, let's just light it over here. Okay, open it from over here, and voila. Oh, you can't see it yet. Forgot that. Let's try and open the sticker gently. I successfully opened it gently. I'll just put it over here. Voila, a scarf. Okay, yeah, I can see it. Now I can see there's two colors, but like the other one, which is gray and black. So these scarves are like, I think 1,109, and like this scarf is a bit more expensive than the normal scarf. Yeah, which I just said 1,190. So if you want to see me wear it, you better like this video. Okay, I think this is what the scarf looks like. You see, like, there's two sides. So maybe I'll make, yeah, one side black, one side gray. And I even added the bag since it's from Louis Vuitton. Yeah, I just bought it. Okay, bye guys.